Day 24 of 30 Days of Coding. Basics of C Programming. Things written after 2 slashes are comments, and they are not executed and used to make the code readable for the users. The structure of a C program includes a library function, a main function, and lines of code inside the curly braces of the main function. Here #include is stdio.h is the library function or the header file. It allows us to use various keywords or functions in C like printf, scanf, and so on. You can see that a slash and a star sign can also be used for comment. Int main is the main function that returns a value. Code to be executed is usually written after the main function inside curly braces. In order to work with variables in C, we need to first declare the variable and its data type. Here I've declared variables with integer data type. I want to input 2 numbers from the user and add them, so I'll ask for the numbers using the printf function. In order to store the user entered data, we need to use scanf. Inside the double inverted commas, we need to write % and the format specifier of the data type. In this case, D is the format specifier for integer type data. Outside the inverted commas, we need to write the address of the variable using ampersand and the variable name. For example, $a. I'll repeat the same printf and scanf statement for the second number. You can see that each line of code inside the curly braces ends with a colon. Now we can use a simple expression that is sum equals to a plus b. Note that the equals to sign is the assignment operator that stores the value of right-hand side to the variable in the left-hand side. Now we can again use the printf function to display the value of sum. For that we need to write % and the format specifier that is D inside the double inverted comma. And outside the double inverted comma we need to write the name of the variable. Since our int main function returns something, we need to write the return function. Congratulations, now you've written a code to add 2 numbers.